In this video, I'll guide you through how to add JotForm to WordPress, a simple process that can significantly enhance the functionality of your website by integrating powerful forms. Whether you're gathering contact information, running surveys, or collecting feedback, JotForm makes form creation easy, and WordPress allows you to showcase them seamlessly on your site. First, head over to jotform.com. This is where you'll choose the form you want to integrate into your WordPress site. Once you're there, is to select the specific form you'd like to use and click on Edit Form. This step is crucial because it allows you to ensure your form is exactly how you want it before embedding it on your WordPress site. If you need to make any changes or tweaks, now is the perfect time to do so. After you've finalized your form, look for the Publish button. Clicking Publish will take you to a section where you'll find various options for sharing and embedding your form. This is where you need to be to move forward with the integration. Next, click on Platforms. This section shows you the different platforms you can integrate your form with. From this list, you'll want to select WordPress.org. By clicking on WordPress.org, you'll get specific instructions and the necessary code for embedding your form onto a WordPress site. Once you have the code, click on Copy Code. This code is what you'll need to place your JotForm on your WordPress site. Make sure you copy it carefully to avoid any errors during the embedding process. With the code copied, open a new tab and navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all the behind-the-scenes aspects of your website. Look for the Plugins section. Plugins are tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress site. And in this case, you'll be adding a plugin to embed your JotForm. In the Plugins section, use the search bar to search for JotForm. Once you find the JotForm plugin, click on it to proceed. This plugin will facilitate the integration between JotForm and WordPress, making the process smooth and efficient. Finally, you'll see an option to upgrade and activate. Click on this to enable the plugin. Activating the plugin is the last step in the process, making your form live on your WordPress site. Once activated, your form will be ready for use and you can start collecting responses directly from your website. And there you have it. Adding JotForm to WordPress is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance how you interact with your audience. By following these steps, you can easily embed forms on your site, making data collection more efficient and effective. Thanks for watching and happy form building.